Hey guys, welcome back. It's another weekend at the homestead, and we got it's sun's trying to come out, but it's not out enough to keep the mosquitoes at bay. They're still pretty tenacious, but I think I'm gonna do some work on the driveway today, and then I'm gonna probably, if the mosquitoes aren't too bad, probably do some stuff down by the sawmill. So not 100% sure. I'm just gonna kind of wing it today, but I'll bring you along as we get things done, just some odds and ends, and we'll see where we go from here. Well guys, the work on the driveway is on a pause. We got a little thunderstorm rolling through. Nothing big, but it's raining. More rain. We just can't get a break from this rain for more than a couple days, but it is what it is. Hopefully it's just enough rain to moisten the ground and not to get the dust down, because the surface is dry, but the subsurface is still pretty wet. Hi guys, I apologize. I didn't film much before the rain came, but I got everything kind of filled in here. There's still some low spots, as you can see. We got probably like a little over a quarter inch, I think is what it was. But you can see how close I am to the end of our driveway, and didn't want to. We had a bunch of people going up and down the road today, so I didn't want to have my phone sitting out here in a tripod when I got to go all the way to the top of the hill up there to get dirt. So I didn't leave my phone down here to film, so that's why I didn't get it much of anything really for filming here. So, but yeah, so we got this filled in, so this will help. It's a little wet right now, but I just wanted to come check it out after the rain. But it looks really good. Got that filled in, so we just got the one drainage there. But yeah, getting there. Hey, it's another day. It's an actual beautiful day today. It's about 68 degrees right now, a little breeze. Pretty much clear skies, just a few beautiful clouds, white puffy clouds around. But so we're back down here by the shed. I'm gonna try to dig out my sawmill here. I'm gonna try to get rid of the weeds. I gotta see if I can get my trimmer going, get that cleaned up, and then we're gonna look at cutting these up and possibly milling these. We want to add on up. Well, so you can't see from here, it's on the other side of the house. We want to add on to the woodshed for a place to house the generator and just some of the other stuff that we have. Like our propane tanks long term, our extra fuel, all that stuff kind of be up in there where it's undercover and protected. So we'll have 3 bays for the woodshed, and then 1 bay for just our utility stuff, and then the rest of it will come back down here to the shed and for storage. So, but that's kind of what the plan is today. So I'm going to see if I can get the trimmer going. We can get that cleaned up as best we can so the sawmill's ready to go, and we'll actually break out the sawmill for the first time this year. Well guys, I got both those trees lopped off, branches burned. Before the rain came in, we're kind of in a lull between the rain. I got one on the sawmill ready to go. I got two more ready to go on the sawmill after that. We'll see what we get. I probably might get a 4x4 out of that. Otherwise I might just make some 1x4s or whatever, 1-inch boards. That's what my plan is with those. But yeah, so as you can see, we got more dark clouds coming. But I did get rained out. We got 1.5 inches of rain, standing water sitting down here. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. But that's going to be it for today. Back around here. That's going to be it for today. So mosquitoes are horrendous. The rain brought out the mosquitoes. But we'll see what we can get done after work tomorrow. So until then, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. Got rained out. We got another inch of rain. So didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but thought we'd just give you an update. Here, let me flip the camera around. Since it's such a beautiful day, I mean, we got some scattered rain shower clouds around. It's a little dark over there to the east, but hopefully it'll hold out so I can get a few things done. But a greenhouse, just wanted to give a quick update. Tomatoes are looking great. Everything looks awesome. Get a little warm. Some of our garlic and our onions got a little hot, and we got these, I forget what kind of tomatoes those were down the other end. They got a little too warm because I haven't been watching the temp in here, and I got to put more sawdust down because the mud came in. But they got a little too warm and wilted a little bit. So I got the windows open, but it's not enough. But I thought I would take you over here and show you the wonderful rain. I mean, you can see this was all full of water here. But normally in the summertime, there's no water here. I mean, you can walk through here, no problem. There's 6+ inches of water in here, and it goes all the way back into those trees. It's nothing but water. So as you can imagine, it's going to be fun mosquitoes here now in a few more days till the next batch hatches. But we're going to get these trees cleared out. We're going to use some of these for sawmill. But it put my fire out, so not everything burned up, but that's okay. We'll just leave that there, and we'll just keep adding to it as we go here and keep burning the rest of that down. But we're going to get the sawmill going here, get some cutoffs started, and see where we can get done. So here we go. Hi guys, I got those first two. I got some 1x4s that I'll use for the siding, and then I got my first 4x4 post. I'll get another 4x4 post out of this one, and then some other flats, and I'll see what I can get on 1x out of this. We're not doing specific for the woodshed when we go up and do it. We're just gonna do slat boards across the whole thing, and it's gonna be, there's no air gap in this addition because we wanted to close it off. So because of that, I got to mill myself a couple 2x4s, two 4x4s, a couple 4x6s, and then some 3x3s, just to get the rough structure. And then we'll take all 1x material. It doesn't matter the height, it can be alternating, whatever we decide to do. Wow, the mosquitoes found me. I gotta walk away from the woods a little bit. They're getting me. So sorry guys, the mosquitoes are just, they come out of the trees with that sawmill, the vibration. I don't know if it's the motor or what it is, but I got to get out and there is a breeze where they can quit eating me alive even with bug spray on. So we'll do like 1x material all the way up. I mean, we'll various sizes. We don't care. It's just we want to have it so that it covers the side. It'll have some slat gaps in it, but for what we're doing, that's all we care about. So I'm gonna go get the chainsaw, cut those up. Those are all just cut-offs that I'll use for firewood, which is why we do it that way. We put the saw stand right next to the sawmill so that we can cut everything up, and then it can go right in the trailer so we don't have to wait and split on them. And hopefully, got some dark clouds floating around, so hopefully they hold out and I can get that last one done. Hey guys, well, got rained out. The sun's come back out now. It's about, what time is it? We're about 7 o'clock at night. But sun's trying to come back out. There's more rain showers that look like they could be coming, but so I got rained out. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a week for this video, and we will see you next week. And appreciate you guys watching, and be back as soon as we can.